Creativity in Africa.
Wegoinovate presents GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. Bayann-Nasir Kooli is a student at Dodowa Presby Basic B, which is located in the Greater Accra region of Ghana. Bayann-Nasir will build an ultrasonic white cane for the blind. He does this using a walking stick, a net of a keyboard, support for a walking aid, a 9V battery, an Arduino board, an ultrasonic sensor, and a buzzer. Now let's see what this junior scientist can do.
I'm going to connect the female part of the jumper wire to the ground. The ground on the ultrasonic sensor is the negative port. I'll connect the male part to the ground on the Arduino port. I'll connect the female part of the second jumper wire to the UCC port. That's the amount of power that should go to the ultrasonic sensor. So I'll connect the male part to 5 volts. And I'll take the third jumper wire, connect it to the echo. The echo releases the sonar beams to be reflected by the obstacle and to be received by the trigger. Connecting the male part to positive port 6. And I'll connect the fourth jumper wire, the female part, to the trigger. The trigger receives the sonar beam that is bounced off the obstacle. I'll connect this part to positive port 5. Then the buzzer also has its male part of the jumper wire. So I'll connect one of them to ground. I'll connect the other side to the positive H port. So I'm going to connect the back to check whether everything is set. So when you take it out from the obstacle, the buzzer goes off. I'm using the sellotape to hold the paper in place. So this is the blind man walking aid, and this is how it works.
By combining ultrasound and a white cane, anyone who is visually impaired will be able to know more about their surroundings. The Arduino is a flexible device which can be used for many things and comes with different kinds of sensors, including an ultrasound detector, as used here, light sensors, and temperature sensors. Now this was fun, wasn't it? You should try this at home, either by yourself or with your friend from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag Wegoinovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.
Comment.
Subscribe.